Yula. So today we are going to taste the food here. Okay?
Yes.
So we are going to determine which is sweet, which is sour, which is bitter, salty, and spicy.
Yes.
Okay?
Let's start right here.
Okay, you start with that. That is kamyas.
Kamiyas. Asim.
Maasim or sour. Can you say sour?
Sour.
Okay. Oh, grab another. Come on, grab another.
I can taste it.
Okay. Just small amount. That is the vinegar. Suka. Ano yun?
Sugar.
Anong lasa po? Anong taste?
Tamis.
Ha?
Tamis.
Matamis? Matamis? Or maasim?
Maasim.
Maasim. Sour. Okay, now you try the peanut.
Tinatanggal muna natin yung balat.
Okay.
Para mas masarap.
Para mas masarap. Okay, taste it now. What's the taste?
It's yummy.
It's yummy. It is
Sim.
Is that maasim?
I joke you.
I joke you.
Yan!
Maalat or salty. Oh, enough na. The other one naman, yung chicharon. You taste the chicharon. Maya ka na mag-snacks.
Binabalot ko lang.
Later na mag-snacks. And don't talk like a baby. Are you a baby?
No, because I eat.
Ah, okay. Oh, ano po yan?
Matigas naman.
Crispy.
Crispy pero matigas.
Okay.
Hindi ko na makagat eh.
Anong tawag dyan?
Chicharon.
Chicharon. Anong lasa po?
Ang lasa?
Ano po lasa ng chicharon? Naku, baka ubusin mo na ka. Taste lang. Ano pong lasa ng chicharon? Maalat. Kasi po may salty yan. Salty.
Kaya pala yummy.
Mahilig ka sa salty?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Ito naman, try natin. Naku. Konti lang po. Konti lang.
Akala ko nag-start sa vitamins.
Later na yun. Konti lang po. Ay! What is the taste?
Really spicy.
Really spicy because that is hot sauce. Hot sauce. Kaya spicy. Okay. How about yan ulit?
Para matanggal.
Okay. How about this one? Come on, give me your finger. Your hand. Ay, konti lang po. Oh, you try. Ngay. What is the taste of the coffee?
I don't like it.
What's the taste? Come on, I'll wipe it. What is the taste? Anong taste? Anong lasa nung coffee?
Yuck. Mapait.
Mapait or bitter. Bitter. Okay. Let me open this. How about itong vitamins ni Yula? Celine. Careful. Okay.
Yan naman yan.
What is the taste? Ano pong lasa ng vitamins mo?
Matamis po.
Matamis po. Ito. Gusto yata yan ni Yula. Sweet. Matamis din. Okay. How about, kuya, kumuha ko ng kutsara pang isa, please. How about,
May kalukuhan ba yung yung lollipop tapos may sakit yung bata tapos gusto niya lollipop tapos kukunin anak niya kukunin yung lollipop tapos isasawsaw sa mali yun, diba?
yes, mga 5 minutes craft. Mali po yun. Okay. How
Dapat
about,
po hindi ka maging maarte.
opo, dapat kapag may sakit, uminom ng gamot.
Ako
Okay?
nga kapag may sakit, maarte ako pero iniinom ko pa rin eh.
Okay, ito naman po. Oh.
I don't
Taste.
like kimchi.
What is the taste of the kimchi?
Very spicy.
Very spicy. O, sige na nga po. Let us not taste that anymore. And then this one, ano to? What is this? Wine. Say wine.
Wine.
Okay, wine is, anong lasa ng wine? Ano lasa ng wine?
Eat.
Mapait. Then, bitter. So, ang mga bitter dito, the wine and the coffee. Ano naman yung chicharon and yung kamyas? Anong taste nila?
Tamis.
Matamis?
Ito, kamyas.
Kamyas, matamis?
Yes.
Matamis or maasim? Nalilito si Yula ulit po. Ano po yung kamyas at saka yung, hindi pala chicharon. Kamyas and vinegar? Kamyas and vinegar. Ano pong taste ng kamyas at saka vinegar?
Mixing.
Maasim. Yung peanuts and chicharon. Yula, anong taste ng peanuts and chicharon?
Peanuts is nga tawag doon?
Maalat or salty. So, among those foods that you've tasted, ano yung pinaka-favorite mo? Anong favorite mo? Yung gustong-gusto mong pagkain dyan sa lahat? Pinaka-gusto mong lasa? Gusto mo matamis? Yun ang pinaka-favorite mo? Yung matamis? So, alin sa matamis? Yung lollipop or yung vitamins? Lollipop, syempre. Ayun, that is Yula's favorite. Lollipop. Okay. Say goodbye na, Kuya Yula. Bye-bye.
Bye ka na.
Drink water.
Kuya, bye. Bye.